Hello everybody, this is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today I'm going to be replacing a dimmer switch that's in my dining room. This one has been going out for the past 6 months. You're supposed to be clicking, and when you do that, you know, to turn it on and everything, but it doesn't do it anymore, and it's very hard to even get working. And I have this one right here. I got this one for free about 10 years ago. Somebody gave it to me, and I put it in my garage. And it's been there the whole time, and I thought I might as well change it out. So I have to say this is probably the best kind of job here, because it didn't cost me anything. I like it that way, and so does my wife. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the electricity. So let's get to work. Alright, here it is. A couple tools you might need. Got a couple different screwdrivers here. Got some wire nuts and wire strippers, just in case. And of course, the dimmer. So let's go ahead and get going. You can see this house is very old, and this looks like some of the original wiring here. It's only there's no grounds on a lot of this stuff here. So let's go ahead. A lot of these old houses are like that. Alright, just push it all back in there. Try to make sure it gets all the way to the back and that the wires do not come apart. As you put everything back together, it can spark, and also you have to redo it. Alright. Let's put the new cap or new button on here. There it goes, I think. Oh. Alright. Let me go turn on the electricity and we'll see what happens. Alright, let's try it, see what happens. And it works perfect. I'm going to say that's a job well done. And remember, any job you take on, you are the project manager. Thank you. That's going to do it for today's project. If you like any of the products used today, the links to the products are down below. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at dadlifeprojects or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Remember, for any project you do, you are the project manager. See you next time.